A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, snow, heavy at times, cold, high 28. Winds north-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. For tonight, periods of snow and windy, some blowing and drifting snow, low 24. Winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. On Sunday, flurries and some snow showers in the morning becoming less likely toward evening, high 33. Chance of snow 40%. Our 7-day outlook. Traffic conditions around our area.
Since 4 o'clock yesterday evening, I haven't moved maybe 10 miles is all, and I'm starting to move a little bit now, so maybe I will have some luck and get out of here.
That is the plight of stranded motorist Robin Hooter. She called in on the phone to tell us she'd been stranded on the West Virginia Turnpike all night long.